here today on this Martin Luther King Service Day. We're going to we've been in the process of packaging 50,000 meals that are going to replenish the local food pantries and food deserts.
It is just very touching to see the work of Martin Luther King still living on generations and generations later. It's so happy to see people from all different walks of life, all different race, genders, coming together to do a greater good for other people in the community.
So we have groups from all over. The one group that I spoke to, the FFA, they traveled from as far as Manassas, Virginia. We've got a ton of 4-H members that are helping us out. We've got sororities that are helping us out. We've got fraternities that are helping us out, the Divine Nine. We have so many people that are helping us out getting this job done. And we're going to feed 50,000 community members here in the area.
All right, quick update. We are at 13,392 meals. That's Frankie up here. She's going to hit this mark for us. Let's count down. 3, 2, 1.
We're going to replenish the food bank here at Virginia State University, of course, as well as the local food bank and food pantries in this area.